Hello and welcome to yet another beautiful home from CB Design Studio. I just wanted to take 2 minutes to talk to you about the couple who we have designed this very functional, contemporary, simplistic, sustainable home for. They are both young professionals, doctors, surgeons who lead extremely busy and stressful lives, and we wanted to create something that they wanted to come home to after every night of maybe trauma or pressure. So the main theme that we worked with was essentially to keep it simple, cozy, easy to maintain and functional. My colleagues Akash and Anisha will take you through some of the areas of this home, and I wish and hope that you love this episode and do give us some feedback. Thank you.
Here at CB, we are always trying to use new innovations along with new design elements. Like many old flats in urban India, this home too had those 2x2 basic tiles which the developer provides. And we wanted to change the whole look of the living dining. The client really liked the wooden flooring look that you get, and thus we went for this dark walnut colored XPC flooring, which we pasted over the existing tiles. Now SPC flooring, it's more water resistant than most laminate flooring in the market, and it also won't break your bank like if you're going for solid wood floors.
The homeowner didn't wanted this to be a bedroom, so we converted this into a den-cum-study area. sitting with Dr. Chandrai and Dr. Rahul Dhar, the homeowner of this property. So I would like to ask you that though it was a resale property, does it feel like your home now?
Definitely, because this was an empty space when we first saw this apartment with a few old fixed furnitures in kind of a ragtag condition, and this was kind of we liked the airy and the natural light aspect of the apartment, but we needed major work to be done so that this space becomes our home, as you just said, and rightfully so, it has definitely now become our home. Thanks to your team, that this space looks beautiful, and this space is us. You know, this space speaks about our preferences, our tastes, and basically who we are. I also love the den room very much, which I think you guys have all seen. And in short, I like everything, to be honest. It's like picking favorites from your children. So I'm not going to pick favorites, and I'm going to say that I like all of it.
Thank you so much for your time. We hope you keep supporting us in the future also. And I think we'll be signing off now. And do remember to like, share, and subscribe.